Hello, thanks for watching my video. If you're clicking on me, thank you for clicking on me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't say thank you enough. Thank you. Please subscribe, give me a comment down below, and keep watching for this look. Ooh, and give me a like. Okay, on to the video. Thank you for watching. This will be just my regular everyday makeup look. So nothing spectacular, nothing full glam. Literally gonna put on my glasses and not put on eyelashes. I bought this beauty blender from Dollar General and it was $1. So we're gonna see if this is a flop or a pop. I don't know. We're just gonna get right into it. There's not gonna be much talking in this video because it's just basic makeup. Ignore this, ignore it please. Thank you. I'm gonna go all full glam tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. It'll be my next video. Period. YouTuber who? YouTuber me. Subscribe. Thank you. I wear glasses, so setting my eyes is very important. All in here. All in there. Okay, so testing this out. It is spreading pretty good. Blending pretty good. I think it's absorbing a lot of the foundation because I tried to spread it up and it didn't go. But my gosh, yeah, I only put it in one place, but maybe if I work fast. Well, I mean, it's very light coverage, but like I said, this is just everyday makeup that don't really have to look perfect, but I'm still gonna use my foundation brush and just like put just maybe 2 more dots of makeup and blend that out with my brush. I realized that I did not do the top of my eyebrows with my foundation like I usually do. And I put foundation on anyway, so doing the top of my eyebrows is something that I would normally do. So I'm gonna. Plus, in my opinion, it looks better. And because it's just foundation, like I'm gonna have foundation up there anyway. I might as well use it to like enhance, I guess, my makeup look. I'm also gonna try like to reverse my makeup routine one day and not do my eyebrows first, because I was looking at this MUA's TikTok and she basically did her whole face and then did her eyebrows, and that is something that I am not used to. But I mean, like, she did her whole face and then she filled them in and then she did the concealer and the top, bottom, whatever. But like, that ain't for me. Very quick and, you know, simple every day. I think I'll try this again. Kind of blotted it up, didn't it? I do take a little bit of setting powder, and I'm gonna take it on here instead of a brush, and I'm just gonna put it on like that. This is like the real reason, I'm gonna blend it out, but this is like the real reason I wanted another beauty blender, because setting powder with the beauty blender, I just blend it in. I don't bake, obviously, because that's not what today's look is. Gonna go in and fill in those lines that didn't get. Look up, use the tip of the brush, and you tap it right into those creases. Okay, just blending out that stuff. Looking good though. We're gonna go in with another brush, and we're gonna just blend everything out with this brown face powder, like those harsh lines. I'm just gonna do powder contour. It's summer, so like my everyday makeup won't be as creamy as the makeup that I'll do in the fall and winter. So we're gonna go in with a face powder again and a face brush again and blend out what I just did. Blending together the powders and the contours and the concealers, just really just, someone said Mary in the face one day, and I was like, yeah, that. Period. Natural little blendy blend, whatever. Don't gotta do too much. We're gonna highlight the face with the same like palette, because like every day like gotta keep it under like doing too much. And keep it like fast, quick, and easy look. I'm gonna have to keep adding that. And I do a gold. Because this makeup looks very natural, but like that gold pop. It's like, yep, she is wearing makeup. Period. Okay. And then I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I got little eyelashes, so I really gotta work with them. Okay, so I bought this CoverGirl eyeliner clump crusher. I only really bought it because of the brush. It's a very skinny brush. Okay, looking at my face, I don't really see my highlights. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in and add some more of that all over the top and stuff. Small highlights. It's cool. I'm gonna go in with this broken face powder. I need to order some more, but for the life of me, don't even know what color it is. I just know it was CoverGirl. So might take you on that journey with me. I just realized that I didn't contour my nose, and I'm gonna use the same like contour on my face that's used as my eyeshadow on the same brush. And then we're gonna go in with some of the gold on my finger. Then we're gonna go back in with the brush. And that creates highlight. And then period. We're done. Feeling lost without my lashes, especially with makeup on. But another piece just fell out. I'm going to another piece just fell out. I'm absolutely done with that. But I'm gonna spray my face with the Milani, make it last dewy. Then I'm gonna put my clothes on. Then I'm gonna do my outro and intro, I think. See how it sprays. Okay. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, that smells good. You know what? While doing that, I realized that I didn't do my lips. So you take a pencil. Make an X. They don't match, but I can go in with some concealer, like some face color, like same color as my face concealer, and take a brush and then just run it around the lips. Just to clean it up, and then blend it out. Still not matching to me. So I'm gonna just take this again. It's not matching. What the crap? I don't know, maybe I can get it to blend in with the lip stuff that I don't see. The color is 14 Plum Pop. I don't know if I like it. So I'm going with my NYX. Butter gloss. Color. Yeah. My lips will be really like buttery right now. I don't know if I like it. Do I like it on camera? If I like it on camera, then I like it. I don't like it on camera. I don't know. I don't really know. Right? I think I fucked. I think I freaked up. So we're gonna add this. I forgot about this glow stick that I have from I don't remember where. Just gonna add this right here. Draw on like a highlight. I think it's cute. It's a natural look, and we're gonna just go with it. Okay, be right back. Period. This is the makeup look all complete. This is the face.